15th of January, 05. Got the machine here finally. My first contract that I was awarded. And all we gotta do now is put the skylight down, flip it over here on the cab. Got a chain hoist. Hopefully that'll work. Anyway, ended up messing up the guy's truck a little bit because when we offloaded right here because of the angle, the trailer shifted and the rail kind of landed on his fender a little bit. We stopped it and I swung my head over, placed it in the ground, picked up the whole trailer with me on it. Next time I need to pull right in here, level out the right side of the trailer against that bank. So kind of put it right up against it there and load and offload. It's nice and level. So, and learn. So here we are. Take a picture. We gotta get up on this ridge now. I gotta find a place to enter, either through here or on the other side. Okay. That's it for now.